Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Now guys, I have for you this updated review on this hair. This hair is from Hairinbeauty. This is their Brazilian body wave and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now I did a initial review of this hair and guys, my mind hasn't changed at all. I absolutely love this hair just the same. So I'm just coming in from church and decided to do the review for you guys. Now I have in a 16-inch frontal, 18, 20 and 22 inches bundles. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I did go ahead and put flexi rods on the hair last night. It has no product in it and this is what I got. So there is no product in the hair guys, and look how nice the hair is. So I got like so many compliments at church today. I just wanted to give you guys an update. So if you're looking for hair for Valentine's Day or whatever the case is, you can check out Hairinbeauty. I'll leave a link in the description box for this specific hair that I got, as well as a link to the general websites and their social media and all of that. Alright, so this is the hair you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. It came in this box right here, well packaged, and all of the hair that they have on the back. So them thing well thought out. Well thought out. I sewed in the hair and I have the closure here. I didn't bleach the knots nor anything because I was just too lazy for that. So I just put some concealer and pluck my parts a little bit. And yeah, that's what the frontal looks like. It was a free part, so you can part it anywhere. Not frontal, it's a closure. It was a free part closure, so it could be parted anywhere. It's a sewing. Now I've had this hair in for like 2 weeks. Sleep in it, bed nights, everything in it. So it's not a wig where you know say, oh, it will keep nice because you just put it on when you're ready to go out and then take it off when you go in your bed. No, I sleep in this hair and guys, the knotting is limited, very limited. It doesn't tangle around the back, and if the hair do get some knots in it, it's very easy to comb through. It's gorgeous hair, absolutely gorgeous. So you know that sometimes when you sleep your hair get tangled in your nape? No darling, no, not with this one. Alright, so it's pretty affordable for the quality that you get. It's 10A virgin hair, so I love it. I hope you guys don't mind the quality of this video. I really wanted to get the video out, so I just had to record with unnatural lighting, but you guys are able to see, and that's what really matters. But yeah, that's how the hair looks. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's really long. For 22 inches, it goes way down to my tailbone. That's how long the hair is. Alright, so that's it you guys. If you have any information or any questions that you want to ask or comments, leave them in the description box below. And thank you so very much for watching. Big up to all of you who continue to subscribe and watch my videos. Love you guys a million. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, see you guys. Bye.